Alright, so I just filmed that whole intro. We're leaving the shop now, and I didn't film the intro, but I was out earlier with no helmet. Otherwise, I would have filmed some of it, but it's like 54 degrees out here. And we're gonna go on a little cruise. I gotta go to the bank, go deposit some monies. And what the hell? Go deposit some monies and see how this cruise goes. We're not gonna do anything crazy. Already felt the back tire skid out. Hasn't been we literally just started the drive. I think this dude thinks he's gonna race, but I don't think he is. I think he's gonna lose. Why that light not changing? He ain't gonna win. Ah, there we go. Watch me win. Dude thought he had something. Alright. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna fuck around today. And then, of course, I think he turned. Oh, yeah, he was turning. That's funny. Like, spinny boy. Yeah, so it's a super simple day. Made some sales, got some shit done in the shop. Just going out, have some fun. Go enjoy this nice trip. Oh man, I can't. A lot of these rides, you know, it is kind of nice being back on the bike, because like, if for any reason I get behind slow drivers like these guys, it's beautiful today. I mean, for a November day, but Oh. What are we hitting our brakes for there, feller? I'm gonna pass every one of these fucking people. Y'all are going way too slow. Also, if I put my hand like right here, it's really warm. And I love it. Keeps my hands warm. The temptation to go around everybody is wild. But I can't post that on YouTube. I got some videos coming up for you guys that I don't know when I'm gonna post. I might wait until like the first snowstorm. But like, we're gonna be revamping our riding style for next year. Keep in mind, it's not me riding, but we're gonna be revamping everything. I'm not gonna ride as wild as I did this year next year, which is a good thing, because it'll allow my my life expectancy to go up. But yeah, just keep in mind these, we going pretty fast, and we going through cars and semis and shit, and like, I needed that 1 year to do it and just like get it out of my system. So I'll have those coming soon. Look at that Audi. Look at that, nice. Looks like some old Karen's riding it. Ah, the warmth. But yeah, so safe riding next year. I will be trying to get more and more into racing. And I really want a longer bike. I'm gonna go around you. Alright. Pop! Yeah, those pops sound crazy without having the helmet on. Like, you can actually hear them. I don't know, what do you guys want to see on these little rides? Because, like, I could go fast, But like a lot of people say, oh no, that's sketchy, dangerous, this and that. So like, what do you guys want to see? Do you want me to like talk about topics, or like what? Because like, this is a scenic route I haven't taken you guys on yet. I got lots of money in my pockets. I gotta go deposits. Is that a pass with care sign? Yeah, it is. Alright, y'all didn't see that. I'm good. What the hell? Alright, we're just gonna go around you. See, it says pass with care, and I passed with care. Alright, no more of that. Now we got a nice steady cruise. Now we can relax. No cops. That dude's door is open for some reason. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Stretching her wings. Yeah, like Halloween, all that shit's over. Now we're in Christmas time. Everybody's celebrating Christmas. Oh, man. You see why I get impatient? I got shit to do. Shift. Tow truck. I need one of those. I need me a tow truck. If any of y'all can figure me out some carbon fibre parts, I need stuff made. If you guys know anybody, I'd like to get a new tank made. Something a little bit more comfortable. Like a 4-gallon tank I would like to have, but carbon fiber, a little bit more lower profile, something that covers the whole side. If y'all know anybody, let me know. Need to get one of those made. I'm waiting until like December when it's like super ass cold, and then we're gonna start pulling forks and shit. Like, I'm gonna do this stuff little by little. I think we're gonna focus on the front fork, like the front sections first. I'm gonna send everything to powder first, but like, so I think black. I don't know what color I want to do these knobs, if I even do them at all. I don't like the blue though. The blue kind of throws me off. I have to do that. Now I want to get a custom one of these made so we can get rid of the ignition switch. I'm going to be making me an ignition switchless system. So then this will be my on-off. That'd be fun. Damn, we're flying now. Everybody be flying. Yo, there's... Sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm just kind of having a good time. Look at that tractor. Having a good time. Enjoying the cold air. This isn't bad at all. 55 with the helmet on. If I didn't have the helmet on, like, I had my hood up, but it's like, it still gets pretty chilly. Like, going through town and shit, I don't mind not having my helmet. It do be cold though, because usually my tires are pretty good, and now they're like not. I can do me some burnouts. Oh, nice scenic route. I'll probably turn the camera off later and go drive and go ride crazy, but like I figure I'll give you guys a little bit of a nice November day. What the fuck? That shit just split. Fuck! Well, that fucking sucks. I didn't even think I went that fast. Well, these fairings fucking suck. Oh, we're still recording, and yeah, I think we're done riding for the season. That sucks. I was gonna work on getting a bar made to go across the two, but like, yeah, that's done. Well, now we get to decide what color we do next year, because they flipped that plate up. We're definitely not going with this color scheme anymore. I think I'm just going to get black. Because, like, it's just this one fairing here. That sucks. I don't know where that went. I didn't think I was going that fast. But, oh well. Whatever. I'm going to try to get a carbon fiber tail and front piece, but it's those side fairings that are always the worst. So like, the front has been great, but the eBay fairings, it's the sides. So I might try to see if I can't find any replacement side pieces and just keep the front. I mean, this fairing's good. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.